Hello everyone, welcome to the demonstration of the Asset Flow Enterprise Asset and Resource Management System. Asset Flow is a modern ERP platform designed to help organizations efficiently manage their physical assets, shared resources, maintenance, workflow, audits, and resource booking through a centralized and secure system. We are Team Zenith coders and we are presenting this problem statement for the odoo hackathon. As you know, problem statement many organizations still rely on the spreadsheet and the manual reports to manage their assets. We have made this platform to help them. This is our landing page, and as you can see, it shows us several options, a demo option where you can literally use the options like clicking and everything, how the things work. And we also have the, as you can see, what are the things that we have solved are in a carousel form, and this spreadsheet form which calculates how the assets and everything. Now let's move on to the login page. As you can see, this is the login page where we have optimized the login page and a cool animation to help us in the asset flow things. So the problem often leads low assets, double allocation, booking conflicts, missing audit history, and lack of real-time visibility. As you can see in the login page, when we show the password, they go, and this is a cool feature that we added. Now they have the sign in option. Now we authorize access. This is our dashboard. So one of our cool options are the dark mode and the night mode option. As you can see, it is implemented everywhere. And now we move on to the dashboard. First, let me show you the admin portal. As we were asked in the problem statement, we have to have 3 tabs. So on the organization tabs, we have the department management, asset category management, employee directory. As you can see, employee directory, as problem statement that employee cannot access, only the admin can change the employee to department head and the asset manager. In the department manager, we were asked to have a hierarchy. The hierarchy is shown in this. Here we can see actions, what is the current active status, what they are doing, and everything, etc. Then we can delete that. As you can see, delete is archived, inactive, and we can also change it. So we can set the hierarchy here, and also we can as you can see, we can change the status and how it is connecting to it. We can also create new departments, and here it is, as you can see, like the front end team 1 department we are creating, and it is created team 1 department. Here you can see team 1 created. And then we go to the asset category management. Here you can see the which are active and new categories, add new categories, and you can optimize the icons and save new categories. We are going with the rough data. Here the activities is created, and employee directory, you can see which employee are there. For the employee data, we created we imported a library from Python library Faker, which generate a 50. For the first time we use a dynamic data flow through 50 generated data which are real world. As you can see, we can change close view of status and employee unique ID, and we can change delete, also deactivate, or we can also change from employee to asset manager. As you can see, a warning is assigned, and after that confirm assigning log, and it is changed. As we move on to the employee portal, we were asked to do various things, including book resources. After that, we can book in raise quest. We can raise quest like screen, clean background, submit ticket. That ticket is shown here, clean background. Book resource, here we can book resource for the Tesla model, confirm booking. Everything is every log is there. Like 3 assets are overdue which were asked to show, it is shown in the red. And the raise questions, let's say we want to know what is food today. The ticket is submitted and is showed in here. Let's go to the Let's go to the allocation and transfer assets. Here the assets, the filter search option. Let's say we are searching for chair, only the one option is there. We also implemented the filter category. Let's say we only want furniture, only one category. The pre-data defined is this, so it is only showing for that. We can also change the number of pre-data depending upon ourselves. For the pre-data, we have run a TypeScript script which generates data automatically using the Faker library. Now for the transfer, as you can see, the allocated two are allocated only, so the option is not showing for shared resources. For not allocated, we can submit request and it is shown here, and can be transferred by the admin. But for the unallocated, we have to transfer request, we have to send it. So we send transfer request, all logs are shown. Then we move on to the resource booking. Let's say we want to book a slot. We confirm the booking for the RD testing lab. Let's move on to the maintenance one. If you want to, we are the admin, so if we want to move from these are the approved, pending and resolved, in progress. Like if this is pending, and we can change it to go to the approved, and after if it is approved, then go to technician assigned, and then in progress, and at last it is cleared and it is all. If we want to add, let's say screen broken, ticket is raised and it is shown here. Through here we can change and give it to keep it ongoing. Then we can move on to audit. We can close audit cycles or the life cycles, or we can like office chair. And for the reports are as for the, because of the time constraint, we were not able to implement everything that we wanted. So this is the CR demo. If you are given time, it would be have been able to notification, all the things are all the logs are there, alerts are there, if the approvals and bookings are here. And CR, if we were have time, we would have made the reports for like this. The reports would have shown, and like we were able to complete. This is our project for the hackathon. Thank you.